Do you have AirPods Max, but you're scared to set them down in case you scuff up that nice aluminium finish? Well, I've got you covered. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. And recently I picked up a set of AirPods Max and I have been putting them through their paces and, you know, going through a bit of testing with them and stuff like that there. So keep a look at the channel because I'm going to drop a review video on these soon. But have you, like me, encountered an issue where you're scared to set these down on any sort of surface because of this aluminium finish, which is really nice, but you're scared to mark it or scuff it up? Well, I've got you covered. Well, not really me per se, but the guys over at Pitaka have got you covered. So big thanks to the guys over at Pitaka for sending these over to me. They haven't paid me for this review. They've sent this stuff to me, so I'm really appreciate you sending this stuff over to me. And if you keep it locked at the end of the video, I will get you a good deal on these bad boys. So these are the Aramid Fiber AirPal Shells for AirPods Max. So basically these are just covers that go over the AirPods Max to protect up that aluminium finish. So these are a nice blue colour, which is pretty funky, I must say. We have some paperwork. We have a nice little thank you. There's a tiny little microfiber cloth in there as well, with Pitaka's logo on it. It's pretty sweet. And here we are. So we have a double-sided thing here. So there we go. It's that Aramid fiber finish in a nice blue, which I really like, to be honest. It's really nice. And then on the inside then we are finished with Pitaka's logo, and it's kind of like a soft material on the inside to sort of keep you protected, which is kind of nice. So let's just stick these on. I'm assuming that this is the... Alright, that's the one. That's the one that goes on the side with the buttons. And then... Oh, there you go. What do you think of that? These are light, minimalistic, and they look pretty cool, if I'm being truthfully honest. Now, they cover up the cups on the AirPods Max quite well, and I must say, I really like them. Even though these are the space grey AirPods Max, that colour of blue is so nice on these. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I think they look pretty awesome. Oh yeah. That there should give plenty of protection for your AirPods Max if you take them off and set them down, because I'll be honest, I have been really panicking taking them off and setting them down somewhere. I'm just panicking that I'm going to scuff up that aluminium finish, and that would just upset me to no end. So definitely that's a great option if you want something that's going to be protective, lightweight and thin, and also look really awesome. Get them picked up. And these come in a collection of colours as well, which is pretty awesome. There's obviously the sort of black grey finish, you know, like the normal Aramid fibre. You also will get the likes of red, yellow, blue. They do all sorts of colours in these, so you definitely get onto their website. I'll leave you a link in the description below for Pitaka's website. Check them out. And if you've made it to this part of the video, well then I've got a special offer for you as well. So Pitaka have given me a discount code for you guys. If you want to pick any of these items up, you can pick them up and you'll get 10% off if you use the discount code shown on screen. I'll leave you the discount code as well in the description below, so just check that out. If you want to pick them up, you'll get 10% off. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, you know what you need to do. Hit that like button. Massively helps me out on the channel, guys. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. And if you want to be notified of cool videos just like this, hit that bell. So now that my AirPods Max aren't going to get scuffed up, I am going to go and do a bit more testing. So until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.